About a 7-year-old boy killed in a boating accident and the lawsuit that followed.
His family has now won another round in their legal battle with the boat company, but this case could still be far from over. Ari Height spoke with that boy's mother tonight and joins us right now in the studio with more. Ari?
Yeah, we told you last year that the family of Ryan Batchelder had won a $200 million verdict. So far, though, they have not seen 1 cent from that verdict. The boat company filed a motion for a new trial. That's very common. What's not common is for a judge to deny that request in an 80-page ruling detailing all the reasons he believes the jury made the right decision.
We just called him Sunshine. He was always dancing and happy and loving.
Ryan Batchelder's mother says her son was the kid everybody loved, always smiling, always laughing. Now, it's been more than 8 years since she's seen that smile, heard that laugh.
He had a great sense of humor. I mean, we knew he had a great sense of humor since he was, just beginning to speak, even before he was really speaking.
In July of 2014, the Batchelders traveled from their Lake Worth home to Georgia for vacation. They were out on a boat when water started pouring over the bow.
And it was so far under that Ryan was swept out and the seat was actually in the water, was in the lake when the rescue workers arrived.
Ryan was killed. His family sued the boat company, Malibu, saying they knew their boats were defective, prone to swamping, dipping under the water. And after 7 years, a jury ruled in their favor, awarded them $200 million. Malibu asked for a new trial. And last week, 1 day after the 8-year anniversary of Ryan's death, the judge denied the request in a detailed 80-page ruling, saying there was, quote, overwhelming evidence of a known danger in the design of the boat.
It was pretty scathing, and it demonstrates their reprehensible, behavior.
And I've been doing this for about 33 years, and I have never seen a court issue an 80-page order on a motion for a new trial.
Fountain says he expects Malibu to appeal again. This process could last a few more years, but both he and Meg say they'll keep going, not for the money, but for other families.
Because I don't want them to do it again. I want them to make changes. I want them to feel it.
We reached out to Malibu a couple of times to see if they wanted to comment about any part of this process and also to see if they plan on appealing. We did not hear back from them. Reporting live, Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.